Hey everyone, it's me Soumya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can convert an old wedding card into a beautiful clutch. So let's get started. So start by cutting the card from the middle and keep it aside. Now take a chipboard or a cardboard and cut out 6 strips each of 1.5 centimeters in width and length according to the card. Cut out another strip of 3 inches in width and length according to the card for the back panel. Now decorate all these strips using decorative papers or fabrics, or you can also paint them if you want to. Here I am covering them with this golden paper. Now grab your strips one by one and stick it to the card like so. Repeat the same step for the other part of the card as well. Now take the wider strip and stick it to both the pieces of card as I am doing here. After pasting all the pieces, the card would look like a box. Now it's time to add flaps to your purse, so decide how much wider you want to open your purse. I just want to open it this wide, so I'm just going to cut a template out of paper to make it more convenient and place it at the top of a fabric like so and cut it out. Stick these pieces onto the card as I'm doing here. Repeat the same step for the other side too. Next up is to make closure for your bag. So for closure you can use magnets, snap buttons or even velcros. Here I am using this magnet and grab some of cardboard pieces and stack them on the top of each other and stick it at the back of magnet. Now stick both these pieces to the purse facing each other as I'm doing here. Your closure is ready. Now it's time to add lining to your bag. So for that, take a fabric and fold its edges to avoid fraying. Press your lining inside the bag and stick it firmly. Make sure to hide the magnets and the closure inside so that you won't see it. Now to add chain to your bag, here I'm having this beautiful chain with me. Pierce 2 holes in the bag like so. Take an alpin and put it inside the hole and make a loop like so. Now open the ends of your chain and insert it under the loop you made it before. To make my purse look more pretty, I'm going to stick this golden cord all the way around my bag. But you can skip this step or even add some beads or whatever you prefer to choose. Finish it off by putting a brooch at the top to make it more beautiful, and voila, your bag is ready. So that is it for today guys. I really hope that you like this idea. Now you can also convert those wedding cards into something you can wear with your dress. So definitely give it a try. Click a picture and post it to my social medias so that I may see your work too. Also, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until then, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!